Our top story tonight at 5, Georgia still firmly in the red zone as COVID cases rise.
Those numbers are according to the latest White House task force report analyzing our state specifically. Fulton, Gwinnett, DeKalb continue to see the highest numbers, representing 26% of new cases across Georgia. The state's positivity rate hovering between 8 and 10%. Remember, 5% or lower is considered a good zone. Officials say we're still at the point we can turn it around and a full-blown resurgence, but it will take everyone doing their part. Andy Parati is at the state capitol with the governor's message on what we need to do to contain the virus.
According to the White House Coronavirus Task Force, Georgia remains in the red zone for increasing infections, but ranks 48th out of 50 states. Governor Brian Kemp says he doesn't plan to implement any additional measures. Instead, he's asking Georgians to do the right thing and adhere to public health guidelines. He calls them the 5 things to do for fall: wear a mask, socially distance, wash your hands, follow health guidelines, and finally get a flu shot. Dr. Kathleen Toomey, the commissioner of the Georgia Department of Public Health, also joined in today's press conference. She says a lot of people are getting a COVID test and using it as a justification for visiting family. She says even a negative test could be a false sense of security.
And so it's particularly important that we don't use that COVID test as a justification to go and not follow the guidelines.
But we cannot grow weary. We have to keep our foot on the gas in this fight. And as we celebrate Thanksgiving on Thursday, I think we all have plenty to be thankful for.
Dr. Toomey also recommends staying at home this Thanksgiving, instead using Zoom to visit with family. Coming up new at 6, who the governor has tapped to help distribute the vaccine and when the state could start getting doses.